The VANON Pro battery, I've been using this for a few weeks now. This is a 6 amp 20 volt battery. One thing I noticed right off the bat is that the mechanism here is a lot easier to push down than those stock ones. I always have issues with them, especially with like dusty things like this. It fits in there perfectly fine. I don't have any wiggle. It does have an indicator on it. So if I click the indicator, you see I have been using it. So I fully charged it. It charges in a OEM charger, okay? So no issue there. And I was using it with my leaf blower because I figured that was a really good test because this is going to use the most amount of power. And again, haven't had any issues with it running out. I can't speak to the longevity of it, but it is a 6 amp battery, so it's a larger battery. If I look at the other ones, this is the stock one. It's definitely a lot lighter, which is nice. You know, anything that's lighter but the same power is automatically better. All right, so I will show you the battery right there. And then that's the indicator lights there. All right, so I must have just been on one bar there, or right on the cusp. But there you go. That is VANON, 6 amp 20 volt battery.